is for apple, red and round. It rolls and smiles on the ground. B is for banana, yellow and fun. Let's peel and dance, everyone. C is for car, vroom vroom go. Racing fast, not too slow. D is for dog, wagging its tail. Happy to bark and follow the trail.
E is for elephant, big and strong. He walks and hums a gentle song. F is for frog,
Jump, jump high.
splash in the pond under the sky.
G is for goat,
Playing all day
skipping around.
in the hay.
H is for helicopter, up in the sky.
Zooming around it can fly.
I is for ice cream, yummy and sweet. Cold and tasty, what a treat. J is for jellyfish, soft and bright. Glowing under the ocean light. K is for kids,
Running with glee.
learning letters.
1, 2, 3.
L is for leaf, green and small. Falling down in the fall.
M is for mango, juicy delight. Sweet and soft, yellow and bright. N is for nurse, caring and kind. Helping people all the time.
O is for owl,
Awake at night,
hoot hoot hoot.
in the moonlight.
P is for penguin, sliding for fun. Waddle and play, everyone. Q is for quail, tiny and neat. Running around with little feet. R is for robot, beeping and bright. Working and shining with light.
S is for sun,
Up in the sky.
smiling at you and I.
T is for train, chug chug cheer. Toot toot toot, it's here.
U is for umbrella, open wide. Keeping us dry inside.
V is for violin,
Music so clear.
playing songs we love to hear. W is for water, splish and splash. Jump in puddles with a dash. X is for xylophone, ding ding ding. Let's all dance and sing.
Y is for yak, furry and brown. Walking slowly through the town.
Z is for zebra,
Black and white.
running fast in morning light.